Hello there and welcome to Virtual Desk Solution, where we teach basic computer skills lesson. If you're new to this channel, you're so much welcome. If you're new to learn computer, or maybe you are running your small business and you want to understand how computer works, this video is for you. So today we will learn about the recycle bin and why it is important in your computer. So let's sit back, relax, and let's get started. So what is a recycle bin? A recycle bin is a special folder in your Windows that temporarily stores files and folders that you have deleted. You see, when you try to delete something, there is a specific folder designated to save the deleted items in your computer, and that is what we call recycle bin. Think of it as a dustbin, a trash can that where your computer disposes the things that you delete. When you delete a file, it is usually moved to the recycle bin instead of being permanently removed from your computer. And this helps in so many ways, so many things. For example, if you have deleted by mistake, at least there's something that somewhere you can go and restore your data from. It is very important in the computer. Why is a recycle bin important? Recycle bin is very important in your computer, and this helps you to recover files deleted by mistake, store deleted items temporarily, manage unwanted files, and permanently remove files when you need. For example, if the documents in the recycle bin, you have gone through them and you're no longer interested in them, you can always delete or permanently remove the files from your recycle bin. How does a recycle bin work? When you delete a file, the file is moved to the recycle bin. The file stays there until you restore it, you empty the recycle bin, or maybe if you want to restore it, you can always go back to your recycle bin and restore your bin. So it stays there until when you want to clean your recycle bin. You'll have it for the longest time. Some of the computers, they can put to 30 days, others can put it forever, but most of the times it's stored there for you so that you can always go back and maybe check. How to restore or delete files. If accidentally you delete a file, go to your recycle bin, open the recycle bin, find the deleted items, right-click in that file, then click Restore. So once you click Restore, the file returns to the original location where you had saved that document. I hope you get that right. So how do you restore or delete file? I'm going to repeat that. If you accidentally delete a file, you go to your recycle bin. There's in your computer, once you open your window, you'll see at the top there on the right, on the left corner, there's a icon named recycle bin. So once you delete your file accidentally, you go to your recycle bin, just double click or maybe right click and then open, then find the deleted item, then right click the file, then click restore. So once you restore, your file will be returned to the original location where you had saved it. So real-time example. Imagine you accidentally deleted your CV. Without the recycle bin, it could be lost forever. With the recycle bin, you can simply restore it and continue working on it. In summary, the recycle bin stores deleted files temporarily, and then the deleted files can be restored if you need them. Emptying the recycle bin permanently removes the files from your computer. So once you empty your recycle bin, it permanently removes the file. It acts like a trash can for your computer. So whenever you need anything that you deleted, you can always go to your recycle bin and restore your documents. So that's basically it. I hope you have learned something from today's lesson. If you relate to this kind of content, kindly consider liking, sharing, and subscribing so that someone else can be helped with this information, and see you in the next video.